To be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram can't send DM. So if you're basically facing this problem, you can't send DM to anybody in Instagram, or you can't send DM to a certain person in Instagram. So if you guys have not yet blocked that person and that person has not blocked you, then of course it's not a problem, because if somebody has blocked you, then you can't send them DM as well. So you need to keep that in mind. And if somebody has blocked you, you can send them DM as well. Now, before moving forward, there's like two major problem behind this. One could be your internet connection, the other could be is Instagram might be down. Now, before I explain what this problem is not working properly, so make sure to check if your internet is working properly, because if your internet is slow, or it is like lagging, like it is like shutting down, turning on, shutting down, turning on, then you might try to change it into data connection. And even after changing from internet to data connection and not having like a slow internet connection issue, you're facing this problem, then your Instagram might be down. So Instagram from time to time turns off their server in order to update something. So if you're using Instagram at that time, then like your DM is not going to be sent because Instagram is offline. And to check if Instagram is down or not, you can ask your other friends to use Instagram and check if they're having problem or not. If they're not having problem and you're having the problem, then that's basically not Instagram is not down, then the problem is with you. And there's like a couple of ways. If your internet is not slow, Instagram is not down, you need to go on App Store. And on App Store, you want to search for Instagram. Why would you want to search for Instagram? It's because sometimes there's going to be an update in Instagram, and due to you not being updated on Instagram, it's going to cause this problem. Come over here on your App Store or Play Store, check if Instagram has any update. If it does, make sure to update it. Even after updating your Instagram, if it still didn't work, what you can do is delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. What this is going to do is this is going to reset all the setting of Instagram, and it should work. If it still doesn't work, just switch off your phone, turn it on again, and it should work. Sometimes it's basically a problem with your phone.